It's informed CNBC-TV18 that they've received an adequacy letter for a generic drug. Ekta, what drug is this and what does this mean?
Well, yes, Biocon has told us that they have received the adequacy letter for Biocon's generic Liraglutide API, which is basically a drug master file from the US FDA. What it means is that an adequacy letter is issued when the review finding of the particular API is adequate and is completed. It attests the quality of the API in suitably controlled tests. So that means that this particular Liraglutide API, which they did file with the US FDA, has filed the required or gone through the required tests which are needed. Now, why is this important? Is because Liraglutide is that GLP-1 drug. They already received approval for it by the EMA, the European Medicines Agency in the UK. It is Novo Nordisk's first generation GLP-1 medicine. Remember, GLP-1 medicine is basically the weight loss drugs which are making all of the waves world over. But it is a first generation drug. It's not semaglutide or the other ones which are introduced by Eli Lilly. It is the first generation liraglutide. But nonetheless, it is expected to be an important drug. The drug size is $500 million plus in the US. There is an expected generic entry in June 2024, which is anticipated. So that would be something that the street would probably watch out for. The impact also, according to analysts, is that it helps validate the company's scientific capability of developing complex GLP-1 drugs, because that's going to be the next big trigger for all pharmaceutical companies. How are they going to capitalize on the GLP-1 opportunity in the next couple of years? Now, Biocon, by doing this, just gives you an indication in terms of their prowess within that space. The UK Liraglutide approval also was the first generic approval for this molecule in any advanced market. So that's the important part to note. It just gives evidence of the scientific capability of Biocon. Maybe they could be front runners just based on what you're seeing when it comes to Liraglutide.
Take that point. Thank you, Ekta, for that. With that, we'll step into a short break. On the other side, we speak technicals. Aditya Agarwala, Head of Research and Investments at Invest for Edu, joins in with some trading strategies.